Hello, today in front of me I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV smartphone, and in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can check the data usage, should I say the mobile data usage on this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to go and open up the settings. In here, go for the network and internet category, internet section. In here, tap on this gear icon that is located in front of the SIM card, or cellular network should I say. And as you can see right here, you'll have the breakdown and the general amount of the cellular or mobile data usage, just like so. In my case it's 0 because I haven't used any mobile data yet, but obviously if you'll have some, it will be shown and displayed right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.